How to read WhatsApp messages without blue tick on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to read WhatsApp messages on Android without sending the blue tick. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, you simply have to tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here, under the privacy, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as read received. So simply turn this option off, and after that you will be able to read WhatsApp messages without blue tick. And that's it. That's how you can read WhatsApp messages without blue tick on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.